not only 50th, 60th, 70th, and I had the pain of going through each word of it yesterday. Everyone agreed to that. And the conduct here, you have not the benefit of seeing it from here. One member has reacted to it. I saw everyone physical movements as if they were in battleground. In physical movement, charge, physical movement, concerted movement aimed at destroying an institution. A sacrilege taking place before my own eyes. Only one honorable member has spoken. Sir, never spare any effort when you see before your own eyes how those who should be responsible are instigating irresponsibility. I go back to emergency days. We need to learn our lessons. If we don't do it well in time, this virus will destroy democracy. I know they are not targeting me. They find it indigestible that a government is in place for a third time continually. Honorable members, that is not emanating from me. It is emanating from will of the people. And in democracy, if you do not honor verdict of the people, and that verdict has to be honored primarily in this theater, would any child, any impressionable mind, any of their younger family members approve of it? You cannot imagine. Let me tell you, honorable members, I screen everything. But when I go home, I see 360 degrees of it. And I find what we have here, I must work more to get them on reconciliation. But beyond a limit, even Lord Krishna could not avoid it. I am not Lord Krishna. I am not a shade of his. I need support of the House. What has to be done is not for this section or that section. What has to be done is for future of our country. Can you imagine the input which I get every day as a structured manner and the activities? I would appeal to the honorable members. Please be informed. Things have started as a narrative. Oh, neighboring country, we are next. Then, wiser counsel, no. Then the gentleman says, what I say is not in private but in public. And he, unfortunately, belongs to a lineage and to a distinguished noble profession. The other one, with experience of external affairs, does it. The challenge, I know, is not to me at all. In the entire mechanism, the challenge is to the elected government that they want to start here. And I share with anguish, anxiety, pain, and concern. I avoided virtually fist fight in the House by adjournments. Fist fight here, I avoided. I am so surprised, and yesterday I had the occasion in the meeting of the leaders. One of the senior-most member of this House I don't want to name, for whom I have highest regard, who always claimed that his party never came to the well, he gave his signatures that my action was unprecedented, unilateral. In my chamber, he was present. I could not hold my tears. Sir, a man only next to Deve Gowda ji in this house. If Deve Gowda ji writes a single sentence that your action is unbecoming of chairman, my entire life is at stake. I put a question to him before all the leaders present there. How could you give your signature here? I was only a phone call away. I don't want to become party, and therefore I was digesting this. But enough is enough. Democracy, they want to put in peril. This temple of democracy, they want to sacrilege. And they want to do it in a vengeance manner in the presence of the top leadership. When I looked for sanity, what I found? Outrageous shredding of sanctity. I have seen much more than all of you have seen. And therefore, this is an occasion. History will remember what everyone has spoken here. It is not for the sake of it just. Therefore, we had the very wise counsel from very senior most people, including former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda. Sir, I need guidance from the leader of the House that on an occasion like this, we need to take steps. If not taken, we will regret. Leader of the House.
जैसा मैंने अपने पहले वक्तव्य में कहा कि आज की जो घटना है वो बहुत ही निंदनीय है और चिंताजनक है और प्रजातंत्र के मूल्यों का एक तरीके से हनन है और मैं चाहूँगा कि यह सदन इस बारे में एक निंदा प्रस्ताव ज़रूर पारित करे। आज जो घटना घटी है और जिस तरीके से विपक्ष का व्यवहार रहा है वो बहुत ही असंसदीय, अमर्यादित और अनुशासनहीनता व्यवहार रहा है। विपक्ष चर्चा की दृष्टि से मुद्दा विहीन हो गया है और मर्यादा विहीन व्यवहार उनकी आदत सी हो गई है। प्रजातांत्रिक मूल्यों का हनन होना यह सदन कभी भी बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा और प्रजातंत्र के मूल्यों का रक्षा करना यह सदन का कर्तव्य है। इसलिए यह सदन सर्वसम्मति से आज की घटना को सर्वसम्मति से उसकी निंदा करता है और प्रस्तावित करता है कि ऐसी घटनाएं की घोर निंदा की जाए। और मैंने पहले भी कहा कि किसी पार्टी का विरोध करते करते देश का विरोध करना और देश के विघटनकारी शक्तियों का समर्थन करना यह अति ही निंदनीय है और इसलिए सर्वसम्मति से आज की घटना का मैं निंदा करता हूँ, प्रस्तावित करता हूँ।
The House stands adjourned to meet at 2 p.m. today.